I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to block specific apps from accessing your contact list on your Android device. We'll look at two ways to do this. The first method shows you how to manage permissions for a single app, and the second method uses the Android Permission Manager to see every app that has access to your data. First, let's walk through how to block a specific app from being able to access your contacts, which is the best approach if you have one specific app in mind, like a social media platform or a game that you want to cut off from your address book. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device and then tap Apps. Step 2. Tap See All Apps. Scroll through the list and tap the specific app you want to manage. Step 3. Tap Permissions. You'll see a list of allowed and not allowed categories. Step 4. Tap Contacts. Step 5. Select Don't Allow. Once selected, that specific app is immediately blocked from accessing your contact information. Next, let's look at how to use the Permission Manager to see a full list of every app that currently has access to your contacts. From here, you can remove specific apps from having access to your Android device's contact list. Step 1. Open the Settings app and tap Security and Privacy. Step 2. Navigate to the Privacy section and then tap Privacy Controls. Tap Permission Manager on the next screen. Associated options are displayed. Step 3. Tap Contacts from the list of permission types. Step 4. You will now see a grouped list of every app that is allowed to see your contacts. Tap any app in this list and change its setting to Don't Allow to revoke its access instantly. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.